Bangladeshi law which says descendants of Bangladeshi citizens are automatically eligible for a passport. With me now is immigration lawyer Harjap Singh Bhangal. Hello to you.
Hi
Thanks
there.
for joining us. So what is the law?
The law is that we can deprive people of British citizenship as long as we don't make them stateless, i.e. as long as they have some other nationality to fall back on. Now, in this case, with Shamima Begum, she's been born and bred in the UK. She hasn't automatically got Bangladeshi nationality.
Why?
Because she hasn't applied for it.
Do you need to apply for it if your parents are Bangladeshi?
Yes, you would need to apply for it. You'd need to be approved to it. It can be refused.
On what grounds?
On the suitability. They might not find her suitable enough. Just like we perhaps might not want her in our country, they might not want her in their country. So it can be refused on that. It might be refused on the fact that, hold on, you spent your whole life there, you don't have enough ties with Bangladesh. So it's really something for the Bangladesh government to consider whether they're going to give her the nationality or not. And they're within their own rights to refuse it. They're not under any compulsion to give her that nationality.
That's interesting, because of course that wouldn't be the case in British law, would it?
No, it wouldn't be the case in British law. In British law, if you're born to a parent who's British, then you're eligible, obviously, when you are British by birth, and then you apply for your passport when you go down to the post office and stuff like this and apply online. But for Bangladeshi law, it's different because she's already got another nationality, you see, and therefore she would have to apply and they would have to consider it. So it's a bit of a gamble on that basis that Sajid Javid is working on the assumption that Bangladesh would say, okay, we'll accept her. But if they turn around and say, actually, we don't find her suitable, we're not going to grant her nationality. We don't
so you're
find
not necessarily Bangladeshi by birth if you're not born in that country. But what does Bangladeshi law say about making someone stateless? Well,
Bangladeshi law doesn't really say anything about someone stateless. There's the laws in perhaps say India and Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, they're not as advanced as you would find them here, and it's really pretty much discretionary. So Bangladesh would say, hold on, she has a nationality. She's chosen her nationality as British. Why should we give her nationality? Her mother might be Bangladeshi. That's fine. She applied for a passport. She was born here. But that doesn't mean we have to give this person Bangladeshi nationality. Just for, say, if I was married to someone from America and, say, our child would be British by birth, but she wouldn't automatically be American. She'd have to apply and register. And just in the same way as a lot of children have to register here. Once, say, parents of immigrants get their indefinite leave to here, they're not automatically British, they have to apply and register. It's the same process. There's a lot of assumption going on, that she's a dual national. She isn't a dual national. Bangladesh have to confirm first that whether they accept her as a national or not. And if they say no...
What does that leave the British Home Secretary if they say no thanks?
Then he's going to lose his case in the challenge. And hence, that's what the challenge is for. And it's going to be a 2-3 year maybe battle, a lot of money spent. In the meantime, Shamima won't be allowed to come back. But yes, he's going to lose this battle. But I don't think...
And is your prediction that he will lose the battle?
Depends on whether... It all depends on Bangladesh. If Bangladesh say no, then he will definitely lose this battle.
Fascinating stuff. It's good to talk to you. Bear with us for a second, if you would, please. Thank you. Well, all